Hello, in this short tutorial we'll talk about emails, about email templates, how to send them out and how to use them in Upsteem.com system. So let's have a look. First of all, when you go to the system you see the general view. So to access email templates you should go to settings menu and select the first choice here, email templates. The settings menu is available for administrators and probably also HR admins. If not, then contact Upsteem sales or support and we will check it out what's wrong. So here in the email menu you have basically three sections. You have general settings which are used to mark the sender name, email and reply to address. Then you have overall layout design for all the emails sent out under the specific company. So this is company dependent. And then you have templates, out of which there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of general templates to be copied for you. And then these ones here down below, they are some templates what we have created on our own. So let's go deeper. First of all, general settings. As mentioned, sender name, this is shown in email programs as sender. You can add here text freely and save it. So this is up to you how you want to present your organization, or you can write whatever here. But please note that this sender is used then for all of the other templates that you haven't changed. Sender email is something which is also possible for you to change, but to do so you have to contact Upsteem support to activate changes to this sender email. So this is something that you can't do just on your own. And then reply to address, which is basically changeable by every customer. And why it is good is that you can have some sort of call to action in your email, sending that if you have additional questions, please reply and so on. So this makes it easier just to get the replies, and it's easier to have contact with those working in your organization or giving answers to your service. And then of course when you're ready, hit save. Let's have a look now at one email which is here, and this is the general email design. So basically what you can do here, you can add logos and you can have some design elements however you like to do that, and all of that is available in layout design section. So basically what you see here, when you open it, there's an HTML document what you can change to computer view as well from here. And in the right side you see variables. So here is only one variable and this is content. It means that variables are the areas that change. So basically, as this was the default template for emails, below you see layout example. Actual layout is shown here in this email. Here is this HTML used, and basically you have only one variable, and this is content what you should place somewhere in the middle of this email, and this is the part which will be replaced from the information given from the system. So so here basically in the example of this email, so basically content is this block here. Okay, so layout designs are language relevant, so you can here change English, Estonian, Finnish, Latvian, Lithuanian, whatever language you would like to. you can change those templates. Here the general design template is same for every language anyway. So that's it about the layout. Basically, don't worry also if you will mess something up here, because you can always restore the variant what was here in the beginning. So no worries here. Basically, what is the recommendation is that you go to Google and you Google for online HTML editor. You find some solutions. There are many of those where you can just write HTML, or as WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editor. Just edit this template. And so here is shown how these online template editors work with our sample. So use these kind of tools just to modify the emails. Okay, let's go forward. I will cancel the changes and yes, cancel, and I was dropped back to the template section. So here are now next templates. So as this layout design deals with general design and look and feel of the email, templates are then meant to be used according to surveys which are provided by Upsteem, and these are divided into subsections: feedback, survey, reminder, mass reminders. These are meant just to remind everybody about every survey that they have to answer in the organization. So this is sort of tricky, different template. And then staff satisfaction survey, or engagement survey, or inspirational survey. Actually the same templates are used also in sort of inner questionnaires and so on. And then development or feedback discussions templates. So these first ones, where you actually see this is a bottom of copy. So to press it, you can make a new copy out of it. So copy of feedback created, and this is now here below. We will come back to that after a second. So you can create copies, and then if you have created a set of copies, you can edit those and also, of course, delete. So let's see now this feedback copy. Basically, under these sections, it's the same up, and I'll show it here as well. So you see the different emails here, but you can't use any extra functions with those emails. You can just, for example, this is feedback invitation. You can open it and it shows you how it's done. So basically these standard emails, they are kept in system just for you to have an archive of what was here in the beginning, so you wouldn't delete them accidentally and so on. And of course these are in different languages. If there isn't your language present, then English is used. So, but we will go back from here. So basically you can't do much from here. This just shows you under this set of templates which emails are used. So for example, in feedback surveys, we use feedback invitation, invitation for subject, reminder for subjects, and so on. So let's go back to the edit view. First of all, you can open by clicking this set of emails. Then when you click to the pencil, then basically you can also change this general sender information according to just this set of emails. And this is useful because you can either mention the topic you have, You can mention the questionnaire issues, whatever, here in the sender name, for example, and so on. So some companies write here company name, HR department, or company name, engagement survey, or whatever. So this just helps to explain the purpose of those emails also sent from the system. And other stuff I basically explained already earlier. Now let's have a look deeper. First of all, now what are those dots here? So these are just marks shown that whether or not you use these kind of templates here in this set. It means that, for example, if you turn off this feedback summary, then it is said that this type of template isn't used together with this email set. Okay, I'll put it back here. And then what about the pencil? And this is the edit view again. Here we'll open the HTML view. You can switch this to regular view, or what you see is what you get view, but basically you can't edit it. So the only way to edit it actually goes through HTML, for what is also useful to use this online HTML editors, what I spoke about already. But what's the difference here is that you have lots and lots of more variables. So basically, as we were having the example of feedback invitation, you have variables of comments which can be added then when sending out the service, then deadline date, inviter name, receiver name, structure, unit name, which comes according to the subject, then subject's name, and survey URL to be used just to send out the invite. So when we analyze this text now, then we see that, of course, little knowledge of HTML wouldn't hurt, I shall say. Okay, just let's go here. So this is how this email basically looks, and start answering here. This also explains how you should use those variables for URL basically. So you can change the word here, whatever, and how it will look now is like this. Yep, I made this change. Here I can also have it in strong. But this is something that you can actually go on and try on your own, because this is just always the issue of trying and what works and how it works and so on. So basically that's the way how you do it, and of course you can take it from here, then put to some sort of HTML editor. Okay, sorry, this was the wrong one. And okay, this works that way. Okay, so now you also see how it's shown up. So this is now tested in HTML editor as well. It should work. When you're satisfied, you just click save, and so the changes are saved, and you can go back to these email templates. And of course you can change this. You should actually change the name of this email template set as well, and this is important because this gives you an opportunity to find a better way this email later, because you have to connect this email set also to the actual survey template what you are using. And if you are using several survey templates, for example, every year or after some period, or you use different templates for different reasons, then it's also really important that you have the flexibility, having multiple email templates, because you can, in business wise, you can explain your needs, thoughts, information given according to the template also through emails. So don't forget to just set the name according to your template or connect them somehow. This is important. And let's go back and just once again, how you can change the template name is just click the pencil and here new name, and I'll say this, it's just a funny long name to be remembered. So but then the basically last question is how you connect your email template to your survey template, because the connection here is that from the survey template you say that yes, I will use within this survey template those email templates. To connect your email template with your survey, you have to go to the survey editor, and I'll show you how. So you go to your survey editor, you find your relevant survey under the feedback or discussion or satisfaction surveys. So we had the feedback survey email template. So you go under feedback, find your survey, then click general information about questionnaire, which are the general settings. Then scroll down. Basically you have here in the lower area of page selection or to choose email template, and from here you select feedback copy, new name, and you select this set, click somewhere else, and basically you're done, and you can go on and edit your survey. So this is how the email templates are connected with the survey templates, but I think in the end of this tutorial, the most important thing is that you try, that you go on and try your email templates, send test emails. You can test the general settings, for example, sending just password reset reminder, any other email, but always also remember to test your emails together with the send out form as well. So test your forms together with emails. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.